Happy birthday to you.
What happened to Sign of Forgiveness? Because it was like silent, well, screaming and then silence.
Oh my god, it was.
Okay.
Thank God we know those lines.
Okay. Happy.
I can record it in 10
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Gabby. Happy birthday to you.
Now the question is, can I please? I mean, not close you.
5, 10, 15. There you go. Uppercase.
Ready.
Come on.
Do it.
And you're gonna burn my face.
Nice. Burn your... Yeah, that's a good way to celebrate. Happy birthday, your face is burned.
I'm trying to